Assalamu alaikum. This video is about learning how to write an application. At the end of this video, you will be asked to write an application in your copies. As you can see here, I have made a list of the highlights of today's lesson. First of all, I will tell you what an application is and why we write it. Next, I will discuss the pattern of an application, that is, the different parts that combine together to make an application. Okay, let us start with what an application actually is. An application is a written request that we give to someone who is higher than us in the chain of command. Now you will ask, what is a chain of command, right? Well, let me explain that with an example. Suppose you want to participate in the science exhibition next month, but for some reason, only students from class 8 and below are allowed to make projects. Since you really want to participate and build a project, you will then write an application to the principal of the school to allow you to participate. You see, the principal has the authority to do that because he is the topmost person in the chain of command at your school. Now that we know what an application is, let us discuss its pattern. An application is made up of three parts: an introduction, the body, and a conclusion. However, there are two more tiny bits that have to be included. The first bit is that you have to address the recipient. The recipient is the person who is getting the application. For example, if we consider the previous scenario, your principal is the recipient. Similarly, if you are writing an application for leave from office or a raise in your salary, the recipient will be your boss. Moving on. The next bit is the sign off at the end of the application. This is where you write your complete information so that the recipient can take action on your request if he wants to. Okay, now let us discuss the introduction of an application. In this part, you tell your name and how you are related to the recipient. For example, if you are writing an application to the principal, you will tell him that you are a student at his school. Once you have made it clear how you two are related, you will then tell your problem in a single sentence. For example, if you want sick leaves, then you will simply say that you are writing the application because you are sick and need permission to stay at home for some time. Now comes the hard part. This is where you write the whole problem in detail and try to convince the recipient to grant your request. You start by writing the whole issue in detail and end with a solution that you think is appropriate. For example, if you are writing an application for a sick leave, then you will tell about your illness in detail and end this portion with a solution, which would be to grant you leave for a particular number of days. This is the part where you are about to end the application. You express hope that the recipient will consider your request and you end the application with confidence in his or her decision. As you can see here, I have included a sample application that you can study in detail later. Your homework is to write an application to your principal and ask him to grant you leave of absence for 7 days because you are sick.